Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Maulana from class 11 di PIB2, number 4 SMKN 2 Kebumen. I would like to explain the result of my drawing design, which is to create a guard post or security guard post that I made myself in about 1 week. I will explain the definition, function, and purpose of the establishing of guard post as follows. A security post is a building that I use a security guard as a place to supervise the guard asset in the work area. Many companies or agencies such as hotels, malls, hospital, or other public place provide security posts as a place to maintain security both from inside and outside the area. The important function of the security guard post as a security support facility among others. 1 is checkpoint, 2 is information and security post, 3 fence or gate guard, 4 visual flow regulator, and 5 is shelter. The security post building is usually made permanent, but along with the times a portable security post has been created. They are usually placed in strategic place and have wide visibility. In addition, the security guard post can also be used as a place to rest visual and still being able to carry out duties. Design posts take care of me upholding a semi-modern minimalist theme that I equip with adequate facilities to ensure the satisfaction and comfort of guests that are most prioritized. The guard post I made has a span with a size of more or less with a 4.5 meters plus number unit, length 5 meters plus number unit, height more or less 5 meters from floor face to ridge, and 2.5 meters to ceiling. I made the wall with a mixture of concrete, 1 Portland cement, ratio of 6 pasir, with finishing using plaster, and paint the wall color white. Why did I choose the white paint? The philosophy of white color is purity. Innocent and comfortless in Western culture, white color often associated with marriage, hospitals, and angels. Some Western societies believe that the color white conveys a sense of purity, cleanness, and peace. The philosophy of white color based on psychology. Number 1 is symbol of purity. 2, make space more. 3, cold, tasteless, and sterile. 4, the cycles of being living. On the roof, I use the gable roof model. Why do I choose the gable roof? That is relatively easier installation and affordable material price, color house, and drain water. In the roofing material, I use the material dark colored ceramic roof. In the roof structure, I arrange 3 components. 1, a roof structure. 2, roof covering, and 3, roof complement. In the door with a size of 800 mm per 2100 mm, and the bedroom door in the frame on the door has a wood thickness of 120 mm per 60 mm and a size of 920 mm per 2200, which comes from wood. Similarly, the thickness of the window sills is 120 mm per 60 mm with a size of 500 mm per 1100 mm. The counter glass has a thickness of 5 mm and has a clear type of glass. In the design of my guard post, this time do not use ceramic on the floor, but I use vinyl flooring or SPC accented with wood width. Size 152.4 by 914.4 millimeters. I choose vinyl because it affects aesthetic and has several advantages over ceramics, namely 1. Strong and solid, 2. Waterproof and fireproof, 3. Easy to apply and no need to disassemble the floor, 4. Competitive price, rich, and motif durable. Philosophy of choose wood vinyl because it adds a natural impression and reminds people of the impact of the wild nature. Okay, next we enter the furniture section of my guard post this time. Starting from the exterior, especially such as waiting chairs, water fountains, some trees, and adding accessories such as car to make it look more alive. In the interior, not much, only include a sofa, table, TV, and 2 chairs at the counter. Well, in the last part, I will explain the toilet part of my guard post. We start from the floor and walls. The position of the height of my toilet drops is minus 0.050 from the floor face so that water does not enter the living room. I give all floors with walls ceramic so that water cannot seep into the wall. Also added accessories such as toilet seat and water faucet. Well, it doesn't feel like the explanation of my guard post design has reached at the end of the parts. Hope you all my explanation in this video can be your inspiration to make guard post. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. I'm Andika. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.